Welcome to this clear step-by-step tutorial on how to add images to your WordPress blog posts and pages. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to enhance your website visuals, this guide will walk you through each step in a simple and easy to follow way. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click Log In. This will take you to the Sign In area where you can access your WordPress account. Next, click on Continue with Google. This quick option allows you to log in securely using your existing Google account. A list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the one you want to use and you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard in seconds. Now that you're in, it's time to start editing your site. Locate the quick links section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click it to enter the site editor, the main workspace where you can customize and update your website's content. Once inside the editor, choose the specific website or page you want to work on. This will open that page in editing mode. Now, look to the top left corner of the screen and find the plus icon. This button lets you add new content blocks to your post or page. Click on the plus icon and you'll see the block inserter appear, a panel full of content options such as text, headings, media, and more. To add an image, type image in the search bar within the block inserter. WordPress will instantly filter the results and show you the image block option. Once it appears, click on the image block to insert it into your post or page. You'll now see an upload button on the screen. Click Upload, browse your computer, and select the image you want to add. After you choose your file, WordPress will automatically upload and place it directly into your content. And that's it. Your image is now successfully added to your post or page. By following these easy steps, you've learned how to insert images into WordPress quickly and efficiently. This simple process helps make your content more visually appealing, draws more attention from visitors, and keeps your posts engaging. Adding images is one of the easiest ways to make your blog or website stand out. So go ahead and start creating a more vibrant, professional-looking site today.